YouTube, we're in my basement. Another video. We're gonna be doing some music. Believe it or not, over here. This is viral. It's a good sample though. Alright, let's get after it. Packs. I need to get back into these packs. I just kind of have them, but I don't be using them. I wonder if this could work. Pitch it up and shit. I think we're in business. Doobie, Canoe. So there's like a lead in. Dude, that run is nuts. It's the type of day where I just want the music to appear, and I don't really want to do anything. This could easily be like a host spread against sounds on like Transgate. What the fuck? He's so fire with it. Why is the sub so chopped here? I'm gonna ask my own sub. I like the vibes so far, chat. Can't hear shit. Oh no, Unk has to make a sub. Okay. Open up the serum machine. Hold up. Type shit. Something plucky, Pluko, come on. That'll do. The perfect laser without this transient. else really to do. Four on the floor section. Imagine. Maybe that's the move. That could be the fucking move. I'll try it. It's gonna go. I feel like it's gonna go. Oh man, I should get Rory on this. That'd be fire. This is gonna be the first drop, I can almost guarantee. Here we go. The hi-hat, the top loops. Hold on. Oh! Let's go. That's hype. I've been trying to make a 4 on the floor for bass pop and I couldn't. Now we have. Let's go. All right, who wants to do vocals? Hold up. Panic, what's your feature fee? I need you, bro. Panic, I need you at 144 A flat. Free ski? Bro, I gotta take that. Hold up. Are you actually down? I can send you it. Intro vibes, maybe even over the drop if you're feeling it. You're on a plane? Fuck. It's a PJ Boys We Good. Bro. Wi-Fi isn't loading anything, but send it, I will, bro. Crazy how you did this on your phone, though. That sounds sick. Dude, you're so nasty. Yo, when you land, you gotta fucking hop on a damn mic. I kinda like this flow here, though. It's like Chase Atlantic shit. I don't know if you fuck with them, but... Okay, it's on the one. Woo! What the fuck? Panic. Back with another classic, huh? Panic's so fire. Been fire forever. People always ask me, where can I get your vocal chain? Where can I get your samples? You have presets. Bro, there is so much on my Patreon. Example, just drop this one. These are all sounds that I use literally in tracks that I'm finishing right now. Not some bull tracks that have releases on Monster Cat, Night Mode, among other labels, etc. Vocal chain. Little white bitch on Depop, chillin' teapot, 2 left feet, then Reebok, shawty did freelance. Reverb throw. Noise generator. Wub generator. These are all stock Ableton, no third-party plugins needed. All these beautiful packs could be yours. Samples, racks, presets. I be dropping project files from Bish Battle on there. You can tap in for just 11 Canadian a month. I don't know what that is in USD. I am Canadian. Become a Bish. Become a more. Perhaps a goat? No one's ever done this. Tap in. Best way to support me. I appreciate it. After Twitch. Come through the Twitch. But Patreon's there. Bless. Back to the video. All right, YouTube is what I made. Let's go. Big inspo from that sample. Holy sheesh. Shut up, panic one time. Real. Thanks again, Panic. I appreciate you, bro. I know you're on a plane. Here we go. Big moment. Oh, shit. No one can do it like Luca. Literally no one. Luca, how much swing? Thank you, buddy. In. It's kind of nice not having to give colors. Now I feel the pressure. That's nasty. I like that. Nice blowout. Big grimy fucking like almost low pass bass. Not low pass, but hard. Okay. Ah, shit! Pre-firing. Red, but not as red as some other ones. What the hell? Panic! Dude, I love your drums. DJ type beat, huh? Red. East. I feel like you make them more minimal, just have like the perfect. Is that SD Kid? Oh yeah! Most biased battle of all time. That shit's horror. What a... Holy shit. Come on, bro. Yeah, Mr. Black. Using the acapella is a big hack in battles. I mean, I'm just going by vibes. Shit hits. Yo. Mr. Black with a minute-long submission. Oh yeah. Let's go, Black, bruh. Roshi. Hey, Meta, give him purple. That's so tough. Wags. How is this only 5 left? Red Warrior. Nice. Yuffie. This is gonna be ass, I bet. European Fee. Dude, the panning of the drums. That fucking me out, bro. I know Yuffie's stack. Drag all the glitch samples into the project and then just cut them up that you downloaded. Palms. Colory. I've used some of those samples. Let's go. Let's go, Palms. Vine. Woo! I love you, Swoop, the most. I love you, Swoop, the most. Nasty fucking. The winner is Wags at 25. GG's Wags. Get some claps in the chat for Wags. Drop your SoundCloud if you want Wags. Here we go, run that. Wags! Wow, there it is. Wags W. Nice. Chat, thank you for hanging. Thank you for chilling. Thank you for vibing. Come through the Twitch Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. 12 p.m. PST is when we do it. Pull up.